Let me show y'all some potatoes and cabbage that'll make you want to slap your plate clean. Start by frying your bacon, or you could use pork sausage. Take it out, but leave the drippings. That's where the flavor lives. Add a little butter and saute your onions until they smell right. Now add diced potatoes and season them babies up like you mean it. Garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika, pepper. Mix it all good. Throw in your chopped cabbage, pour your chicken broth, cover it, and let it cook for 20 minutes till everything gets tender. Add the bacon back, give it a stir, and look at that, pure Southern comfort. Now don't you want to eat more of this? Hit follow for more good old home down recipe.